Sumber mitrang ba kajela blepe iktanat polis ba Prestone tensang ulaong ba tanat polis kadang duna breubun ba kabak soka krapen krek ban pendap kenang ban penklanya jing troikam katkum biji ong ba Prestone wat haden ba tungkam ya kumba Hajar ngut tame mentah kan sedon Shuh sa si Hajar gikam gi badang Lait themai hak tanat polis ulong bakat kum gi kendon ka police research and bureau development kajela kadang don kambun gi Pulit katkum ka jingbun breu haduk mutak dan pra pun teli di police station hakajela ya kani ula jubab halo ke jingkli ba wanra do MLA kanong krem ba alden mila besemoy hapok ing debat hawan mentak sengi.
Reply to state question 190. Sir, the current and actual strength of police personnel in police station, police outpost, traffic branch, police reserve, CID and SP are as follows. Police station 1,843, actual strength 1,430. Police outpost 503, 380. Traffic branch 439, 368. CID 121, 107. SB 580, 546. Total 3,486. Actual strength 2832. Sir, in respect of police reserve, there is no separate sanctioned strength. The police reserve draws and utilizes manpower PEF as per requirement. At present, 859 personnel are deployed in police reserve in the 12 districts. Sir.
Your supplementary question, please.
Sir, the total police station in the state, we have 86 numbers, sir.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister, what is the police population ratio against all the said police station jurisdictions, sir?
Sir, as per the, though we don't follow strictly according to the Bureau of Police Research and Development, sir, each police station in the state, roughly, each police station in the state, we do have 50 to 60 police personnel, sir.
Sir, why I'm asking this question, sir, because I've seen many police stations which are, facing a severe shortfall in police personnel. So may I know what will be the step taken by the government in order to bridge the gap between the requirement and the shortfall?
Sir, to meet these challenges, I am happy to inform the honourable member, including the honourable members of this August House, that the recruitment process has been completed, and just yesterday, even the result was already declared. It's more or less about 3,000 personnel, which very soon appointment order will be issued. And not only that, once this appointment is made, I'm very sure we will be able to fill up those vacancies wherever necessary to further strengthen the function of the police station, police outpost, so on and so forth, sir.
Sir, may I know, after having recruited these police personnel, whether it is sufficient or the department is still facing a shortfall?
Sir, in fact, a shortfall happens every now and then. In view of the retirement, sometimes in view of the illness, and there are so many reasons, sir, because as I've said, sometimes tomorrow some personnel retired, then again the vacancy is created. So this gap is always there, sir. But however, we will try our best from the police department to make sure that the recruitment process is regularly held, and once the vacancy is created, then we will make sure that we fill up the post accordingly. So number two, sir, yes, even after this result is declared yesterday, I would like to also inform the House that till this moment that I'm speaking, we have again not less than 1,000 vacancies throughout the state. So therefore, sir, we will make sure that these vacancies which arises almost on daily basis or on monthly basis, this will be filled up, sir. Sir, there are so many components which is of course being guided by this bureau, but when I reply that we don't, it's not that we don't follow, we do, but there are few percentage shortage here and there where we could not meet all the guidelines. But as far as the ratio is concerned of policing, sir, in fact we met the criteria, because in the national bureau level it should be 100, as I've already said, 197. We already met that 197, sir. In fact, from now on we have only taken the decision that when we give sanction for creation of new police station or police outposts, the department will make sure that these newly created police station, police outposts, it should be also along with the manpower. The sanction should also come in the form of manpower, not necessarily only creation of police station or police outposts. So, sir, I am sure now on, once this policy is in place, I don't see that we will have much shortage of manpower as far as police department is concerned, because as I've said to you, when we create police station, police outpost, we will also make sure that sanction of post is together accorded, sir.
Three questions, sir, is to our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. Any step taken by the department to provide more manpower in the police station, police outposts in the border area, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Again, I would like to suggest Honorable Deputy CM and the Police Department to provide more manpower, as well as in my constituency, like Maulasnai Police Outpost and Umsiang Police Outpost, which is the interstate border with the Assam in my constituency, sir. Thank you.
Point noted, sir.
Okay, back up front, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home, how many police personnel are deployed on non-policing duties?
Sir, through you, may I request the honourable questioner to kindly repeat the question?
How many police personnel are deployed on non-policing duties?
Sir, I don't have the record right now with me, so for this particular supplementary question, I require notice, sir.
So, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister whether the present strength, sir, is adequate as per population and crime load, sir?
Sir, I have already replied. I have already replied that the ratio is met as per the standard norms.
Through you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Sorry, Olan Singh Swin. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
Given the vacancy position, as the deputy chief minister has said, that the more than 1,000 vacancies are existing now. So given this position, whether this vacancy will be filled up with the presently passed out candidates or will be with the new recruitment advertisement, sir?
This will be completely in the new advertisement, sir.
Thank you, sir.